All right, we're in Loreto, Mexico on the beach. The tender boat's coming right there. Of course, you can see the ship. And we walked down the dock and came over here. And as you can see, this is one long beach. And one noisy dog. There's two other dogs out in the water. I don't know if you can see him. He's way out there, and this guy's coming to join him. So, I guess it's a dog beach. They have these palapas along here. There was more behind us. Here's a blowfish. And I see a whole lot of palapas down there, but they might belong to that hotel. I don't know. There's of course pelicans. And sandy beach. A lot of shells. A lot of little shells and some big shells. Rocks too. So big wide sandy area. And it's probably hard to tell in this video, but this beach goes all the way out to there. That's an island. And it's hard to see them, but you can see there's tall mountains all around it. Of course, Loreto's in the Sea of Cortez, Baja California. I pulled my mask down. That's probably a lot better. I guess I'm not around anybody except her, and she's wearing hers, so I'm safe. She's safe. Oh no, danger, danger! She disrobed a little bit. Huh. Anyway, see that? Don't you love to have those at home in your garden somewhere? Planters. Pay $15 a bag for that.
Another pretty show. Not as pretty as this one.
But it's the match to it. Anyway, I say that way too much, I know. From Loreto, Mexico on the Sea of Cortez.
Port Mikey's out.
See you in the next port. Bye.